So let's start. See the pretty snowflakes falling from the sky on the walls and the housetops. Soft and thick they lie on the window ledges, on the branches bare. Now how fast they gather, filling all the air. Look into the garden where the grass was green, covered by snowflakes. What a bloody scene! Now the bare black bushes all look soft and white. Now everything is laden. What a pretty sight! Now I'm going to tell you once more. So let's start. See the pretty snowflakes falling from the sky on the walls and the housetops. Soft and thick they lie on the window ledges, on the branches bare. Now how fast they gather, filling all the air. Look into the garden where the grass was green, covered by snowflakes, not a bloody scene. Now the bare black bushes all look soft and white. Everything is laden. What a pretty sight! Now I have ended my poem. Now it's time to say you bye. Thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, stay still, and please like, share, and subscribe to my coming videos. Bye bye, and please wear a mask when you go out. Bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.